Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is a cook with me video, and in this video I will show you guys how I prepare my ramen. So this is a Japanese noodles. It came in this pack and there are about 5 pieces in the pack, so I took just one because if I take two, it's hard for me to always finish like two. So one is okay, especially the method I use in cooking it. I tell you, you can eat this one pack 5 times. Okay, so here I have fish. You can also use egg if you want, or you can use fish and egg. So here is the fish. Here is the ramen. Here I have vegetable, I have ginger, and of course I have garlic. So I will prepare this food in a very special way. You will have soup to drink, and this is very good. Like, oh my goodness, I don't know how to explain this to you. This is very good, especially when you have like cold or flu, all those stuffs like that. I tell you, this will make you to feel warm inside, clean up your system. It's medicinal, like it's filling, and it's also medicinal. It's a very healthy meal to eat. Okay people, so I will show you how I prepare my Japanese ramen, or is it noodles? I don't know, but I call almost everything here ramen. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, I'll start by pouring in water. So I'll pour more water because I like to drink the water as soup. Okay, for now, this much is okay. Next, I'll be adding the fish. So give the fish some time to cook. Let's say about 5 minutes to cook. Then you can now add the other ingredients. So let the fish start cooking. So let's start cooking the fish. So see you later. Okay guys, so at this point in time, it is time to add our noodles, Japanese ramen. So we're going to take this straight up in the pot, and it comes with this seasoning. So you don't need to add any other ingredients. This is okay. It's very tasty. So guys, just allow it to cook. The fish is almost done, so everything will just cook and get ready at the same time. So guys, at this point in time, I'll be adding the ginger and the garlic. So it's almost ready. And our ramen, delicious ramen, is ready. So I don't want the vegetable to overcook. So at this point in time, I'm going to turn off the gas cooker. This is good. This is so good. Oh, God. Oh. This tastes really good and it feels good in the body. Thank you for watching this video. This is good for the weather, I tell you. This is very, very good. I still want more. I still want more. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. And share this video because this is very good, especially when you have like cold or flu. This is a rich medicinal yet yummy food, balanced food to eat. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye people.